I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to add an app shortcut to your Android home screen. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app drawer where all your installed apps are listed. Step 2. Locate the app you want to add to your home screen. Step 3. Tap and hold the app icon until a pop-up menu appears or the screen shrinks slightly. Step 4. Drag the app icon onto your home screen and release it in your desired location. Step 5. If you want to move the shortcut later, simply tap, hold, and drag it to a new spot or to another home screen panel. You can also create app shortcuts for specific features inside supported apps, such as opening a specific chat in WhatsApp or composing a new email in Gmail. To do this, tap and hold the app icon until a list of quick actions pops up, then tap and hold the specific action shortcut and drag it directly onto your home screen. If you ever want to remove an app shortcut from your home screen without uninstalling the app itself, tap and hold the shortcut icon on your home screen and then tap remove or drag it to the bottom of the screen to delete it. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.